In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your products on Big Cartel by walking you through the process of deleting a product from your dashboard. First, let's get started by heading straight to the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens, and from here you can manage everything related to your store. Once you've landed on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Products section located at the top of the page. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the products you've currently listed in your store. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to easily access and review your inventory, making it a breeze to manage your items efficiently. Now let's say there's a specific product you want to remove. Begin by selecting the product from the list that you wish to delete. Find and click on that item to get more options and details about your chosen product. At this stage, you'll notice a set of 3 dots off to the right. This small but significant icon is where you'll find additional actions available for your product. After clicking on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing several options. From this list, you'll want to select Delete Product. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit of hesitation at this point, especially if it's a long-loved listing. But remember, you're just a few clicks away from a cleaner, more organized store. The system thoughtfully provides another layer of confirmation to ensure that you're entirely comfortable with this decision. Once you've selected Delete Product, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. This step is crucial, as it helps prevent any accidental deletions that might occur. Simply click Delete one more time to finalize your action. And that's it. You've successfully removed a product from your Big Cartel store. This process not only helps in maintaining a tidy inventory, but also allows you to keep your store updated with current listings, which can be vital for maximizing sales and maintaining a fresh storefront appearance. If you ever find yourself in a position where a product needs to be removed, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. It's a straightforward and reliable method, ensuring you stay organized and in control of your online store. With this knowledge, you can confidently manage your inventory as your business evolves and grows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you manage your Big Cartel store just a little bit